Today, we are unboxing the brand new Storm Limited Edition collection that includes the Proxy Bub, the Hot Knife, and most importantly, the first ever limited edition Peak Pro to come stock with the 3D XL. Let's kick it off with the big one first, the Peak Pro with the 3D XL. This is the first limited edition that we are dropping with the 3D XL included for the same Peak Pro price of $420. So the first thing that you're going to notice, potentially even before this beautiful new colorway, is that this does come stock with a 3D XL right out of the box. We believe the 3D XL is the best experience for heavy dabbers and recently made it standard on all Peak Pros. The talented engineers at Puffco changed the game when they pushed the limits to create the 3D XL, and Puffco's commitment to quality means that it took a little bit longer to develop. That's why this is the standard for all Peak Pros, with a redesigned carrying case to fit the bigger chamber. Next up, we have the Proxy, my personal favorite. The Storm color looks amazing on this device, and you might notice it comes with a joystick right out of the box. Alongside the Proxy, we are also releasing a new Storm Bub, our first new limited edition bubbler since the Bloom. As you can see, the Bub's main function is to add water filtration to the Proxy experience without compromising the look or the feel whatsoever. If you're somebody who prefers water filtration, the Bub is the product for you. This is such a clean design that looks amazing as vapor travels through the air path, and it's an affordable bubbler upgrade from the standard dry piece that comes with the Proxy. And last but not least, we have the Hot Knife. If you're a collector or just need another one, you should not sleep on the Storm colorway. And that's it, guys. That is the new Storm Limited Edition collection. This is one of my favorites that we've ever done. If you love it, do not sleep, because as you know, these will be available for a limited time only. So what do you guys think of this new one? Are you going to pick one up? Let us know in the comments, and let us know what limited edition colors you want to see in the future. As always, we appreciate all of your support for the content we make over here. So if you made it this far and enjoyed the content or dig the new limited editions, hit that like button and let us know. Thanks, and see you guys in the next one.